Welcome to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and this afternoon we're going to take a quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. First, we'll start with the way we've powered the boat. It has the new 300 horsepower Mercury Verado. That is the V8 naturally aspirated, done with white paint. Across the swim platform, we have the gray sea deck matting. The transom of the boat has a very nice sun pad with flip up behind the knee support to give you a really comfortable aft-facing seat. One of the great features of this boat being an outboard is the tremendous amount of storage that you get in what would have been the motor box for a stern drive. Making our way into the cockpit of the boat, you have your ski pylon here for water sports, side boarding step, freshwater sink, and you have plenty of wraparound seating, L-shaped seating on the port side, with a movable backrest at the companion seat to give you forward-facing seating or an aft-facing lounger. This boat does come equipped with the sports tower with integrated bimini. You have a cockpit table option. We've upgraded the carpet to the infinity woven carpet liner. As we make our way up to the helm, the boat is equipped with the 9-inch Simrad GPS chart plotter and integrated digital dash. It does have the Fusion stereo, which is new for 2019. The Mercury Verados are digital throttle and shift. The boat is equipped with a head compartment, and that is a vacuum flush head. You've got nice trim in there. Making our way up to the bow of the boat. Two full-length loungers, port and starboard side. The boat is equipped with the windlass anchor. It does have the premium upgraded stereo system, and the boat is also equipped with underwater lighting. It's a quick look at our 2019 Sea Ray 270 SDX. If you'd like to see this boat in person, come down to MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach, ask for me, Dean Ashton. Be happy to help you out.